will cook this. Ito siya tangon. Nag-request yung amo ko. Of course, we have leeks, onion, bell pepper, carrot, and zucchini. Kasi ganito lang, ito lang mga vegetable dito guys. Of course, chicken, salt, oil, paminta, soya, and may konting ano tayo. And then we already prepared it. Put a little bit oil while waiting. Then sibuyas. Nalagay ko na yung leeks at saka sibuyas. Leeks at saka sibuyas ang nalagay ko guys. Ayan natin. Sinip aside ko muna kasi I forgot this chicken. Pinag-aside ko na ito. Then after that one, I will put aside guys. Kasi aray natin siya guys kasi ayaw ko siya magiging overdone. Guys, I'm set aside na yung chicken kasi ayaw ko siya magiging overdone. Then let's put carrot. Bebebe natin. Onion and leeks kala guys. Wala akong garlic guys. Naubusan tayo. This is the zucchini. We will put. Then next. Request ko ng amo guys. He wants to eat the pansit. That is sotanghon. Siya ng soya guys. Para may lasa-lasa siya guys. Hindi sila may ito na soya guys. Kaya konti lang natin guys. Don't want to be overcooked, then we will put the bell pepper. Mix natin siya guys. Tapos siya guys. Request ko guys ng ano ko guys. Dadali nila kapit mo. Put up tomato. Mix natin siya guys. Kasi ang vegetable ko lang not overdone. We will transfer to the other bowl because we don't want to be overcooked. Ito, lalagyan natin siya ng tubig, no? Para sa sotanghon. See, we already transferred to the other bowl because we don't want to be overcooked. Then we will put that corn with hot water. This one, hot water. I'll put this boiling water. This boiling, I want to put a little bit more. Basta a little bit lang siya guys. So, boil na siya. So, lalagay na natin siya. Meron pong mouse, but tinidor guys. And then so lagyan siya ng water. Ayan. Mikas lang natin siya guys hanggang maging malambot siya. Everything here we need to be not overcome. Mikas lang yan guys. Namikos ka na siya. We are waiting, then we will mix the vegetable guys. Then I will put the chicken. Chicken natin siya guys. Mix. Then the vegetable. And a little bit rice. This is my homemade pansit. Yummy. And I know guys, every Filipino is different kind how to do the pansit, or this one is sotanghon guys, because they like it. Then I will season the sesame, and this is my finished food. I season with just sesame, ready to serve for my boss. They will bring to the picnic. Yummy, yummy pansit. It's sotanghon siya guys. Bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching. God bless.